America produces over 400 million hundredweight of potatoes annually, which translates to roughly 1.1 million pounds harvested every single day across the nation. Idaho alone accounts for 33% of total U.S. production, with massive mechanical harvesters unearthing 13 billion pounds across 320,000 acres in just 6 weeks during harvest season. These specialized machines use precision technology to lift tubers from the soil, separate them from dirt and debris, and transport them for processing, with 38% becoming frozen fries, 26% sold fresh, and 22% turned into chips.
Made with 1703.co.